Can we take a moment and acknowledge my bomb ass nails? I did that. Alright, so today's video, I definitely want to do something quick and easy. I want to do a comparison of two of my favorite products, two loose powders rather. And that's going to be one by Huda Beauty and one by Morphe. And these are two totally different powders, but they do the same thing. They're both loose powders. They're both a warm golden shade, but they're different formulas. They're different price points. One is considered higher end, one is considered more drugstore. So today we're going to put them to the battle to see which performs the best. I personally like both, but I wanted to compare them side by side so that if anyone's interested in buying them, they'll know which one to get. Let's start with the Morphe powder. So the Morphe powder is called Bacon Set. I have it in the shade Banana Rich. And it is a warm golden shade. So it's warmer than the typical banana powders. So it's not as pale as those, and it's literally like the perfect shade. The Morphe powder retails for $12, and you're gonna get 9 grams of product in this container, and it comes in your typical loose powder sifter type container. And the great thing about this powder is it's actually mica based. Mica is the first ingredient, so mica powders to me are just a lot smoother, and they're really a lot lighter. So I enjoy the application because of that reason. So battling the Morphe powder is the Huda Easy Bake. I have the shade Kunafa or Kunafa, and this is how it looks. It's very similar. It's that warm golden, warmer than banana, step up than banana powder. This container, it's going to be 20 grams of product, so you get a lot more product in this container, but it's actually a lot more in price. The Huda powder is $34, and that's on Sephora's website or Huda's website. So the main difference between the two is that this product is talc based. It is definitely your more traditional, thicker, loose powder. It's going to give you more coverage, and definitely can be built up as far as layering if you wanted to. But I enjoy this product. It has a fragrance. That's probably the only downside of it, but the coverage is beautiful. The color is beautiful. So that's why I can't stop using it. So I'm gonna basically kind of prep my face, get everything done, foundation, concealer, brows, and I'm gonna come back. I'm gonna compare the products side by side, and then I'll do a little bit of a test and we'll see what happens. On this side, I'm gonna put the Morphe Bacon Set in Banana Rich. And on this side, I'm gonna put the Huda Beauty Easy Bake in Kunafa. Let's put them to the test. I'm gonna use this damp beauty blender, and I'm gonna go in with the Morphe first. And then on the other side of the sponge, I'm gonna go in with the Huda Beauty. I will say both sides look very similar in color and tone. The Huda side, I feel like has more coverage, but the Morphe side is lighter, like really more so a translucent powder. This is gonna be a tough one. So this is the finished look, and on this side, of course, is the Morphe Bacon Set. And on this side is the Huda Beauty Easy Bake. Honestly, I like both. I will say, as far as covering and concealing under the eye, the Huda Beauty, because of the coverage, I think it did a better job. I think the Morphe, because it's a lighter formula and it's more so a translucent color with the tone, it's definitely a little more hydrating. It's less drying than the Huda. But honestly, I like both. And if you're trying the products, if you have them at home, what do you think? What do you like? Make sure you like, subscribe, and comment. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next time.